Hello everyone. Tonight we're going to be making a soap and I'm scenting it in Cherry Sundrop. This is a soda we used to drink when I used to live back in a small town in Minnesota. We don't have it out here in California. We had it for about 1 month. Target carried it and then they quit carrying it, so I don't know if people just didn't care for it, if they didn't know that was our favorite drink for back home. So I've already taken and I've added my lye solution to my oils. I've got kind of a medium trace almost going on here. I wanted it a little bit thinner, but we're gonna go ahead and separate this off into 3 containers. And we did make some little lemons for the top. So we're gonna get started. And put this poured off. I can never pour without spilling. I don't know what the deal is. And I'm not exactly sure how the fragrance oil is gonna act because we've never used it before. So we've got our yellow. Okay, we're gonna add some titanium dioxide in there. It's really good, but it is really dark. Again, it's just like a cherry citrus, but that's exactly what the soda was, so I thought we'd give it that name. And I make soap. And then my cousin back in Minnesota. It smells really good. Okay, really thickening up. About half in there. Okay, we'll go ahead and get it all in there. I thought it was going to stay fluid, but it decided not to. And we're just gonna flip it around. Okay. That's too thick. I cannot. Okay, go ahead and we'll let this set up, and then we'll be back in 18 to 24 hours to uncut it. The Sundrop soap is all set up and unmolded, so we're going to go ahead and cut it. I don't know if you can see it, and I don't know what happened over here, but we got a big old cap. But we'll just use that one for samples. We'll try to line it up here. A little soft. Back. The inside. Smells really good. And here's our hole. We'll be using that one maybe ourselves. Okay, we're going to take and get these cleaned up and then put on the curing rack. Thanks for watching.